how to withdraw Pinecoin from Pi Network. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Pinecoin from Pi Network app wallet to either your bank account or any other account. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open your Pi browser application. And then what you're going to do is select wallet over here. So before doing this, you need to know that you need to qualify some criteria. You need to get your KYC verified. And after that, you need to make sure that your Pi coin is not locked. So first of all, you can just, type down the 24 words code, or you can simply, verify it using your Face ID. And you need to make sure that your Pinecoin is not locked. And the third thing that is really important is that you need to make sure that you move your Pi to available wallet that is up and running. After that, what you're going to do is click on pay or request, and here you can either scan or show QR code, or you can simply click on manually add wallet address. Now here you're going to type down the Pi that you wish to withdraw, and here you can simply type down the wallet address. If you're sending it to any crypto wallet, you can type down the wallet address, or you can also you can type down your bank account address over here, or you can also scan the QR code. Once done, you can type down any memo for your own memory, and then you can simply click on send. If you have enough Pi, there will be no problem in withdrawing Pinecoin from your Pi Network app wallet. So that was basically how you can withdraw Pinecoin from Pi Network. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.